guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a PR unboxing and haul. I do these videos every single Friday here on my channel where I save up all my packages and then we open them together like a little mini unboxing. We do swatches. I show you guys all of the new products that are coming out. I have some really exciting packages that I've been waiting to open that I'm excited to dig into. So why don't we go ahead and get started. The first box we have this week is a giant little box here from Ofra, and I actually just unboxed it, but I haven't opened it yet, so I'm excited to see what is inside. Okay, so here's what we had inside. I did have a few requests on my last PR unboxing to kind of show you guys like the boxes, how they're presented. So I will try to make sure I'm doing that more like before I start digging everything out. So here's the box that they sent over, and it says here, I'm mine, and this is the Give More to Yourself, a Valentine's Day collection. I'm excited about this. If you guys do not know, I recently became an affiliate with Ofra, which is so exciting for me because I've really been enjoying their products, gosh, for so long. They're actually one of the reasons I got into makeup because I actually won a giveaway for them. Like right when I first made my Instagram account, and getting that giveaway, it was like $500 worth of product I won from them, and getting that kind of just ramped up my page. It gave me more makeup to be able to do looks with, and I really just credit them to actually really helping me further my little Instagram career here. So it's really, really awesome that I am now an affiliate with them. It kind of just, I don't know, it feels like it's kind of came like full circle in a way almost, and it's just really special to me. So if you guys ever want to save any money at Ofra, my code is MAKEUPMOLLY, and you guys can use that at the checkout there. So it says it's about to glow up when I took off the little things. And here's what the inside looks like. I am excited to see this Valentine's Day collection. So we have a mini set. I absolutely love their liquid lipsticks. They are one of my favorite liquid lipstick formulas. I talk about them a bunch here on my channel. So we have this little mini set. So inside of here, it looks like you get 4 different little lipsticks. These are the minis. Here's a closer look at the little lip bundle. So this one, you get a red shade, you get a more like rosier mauve shade, and then you also get a really pretty like corally pink, and then you also get a little deeper vampire shade. So that's a little lip bundle. We also have a new liquid lipstick shade, and this one is going to be, I always forget the names are like always right here now. So this is in Randifinous, which is actually the red that is in this little bundle as well. I don't have this shade, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. So here's what it looks like. I love their new packaging, by the way. It's just so sleek. So let me swatch this. They love their reds too. They have the best reds. I remember I got a Valentine's Day kit when I won that giveaway, and it had like the little minis in it, and I still use those because I love them so much. But here is the red right there, really pretty. So up next we have a skincare product. This is the Froze, a cooling, smoothing, brightening peel mask. So there's what that one looks like. We also have a lipstick, and this one is in the shade Rose, and this is actually a bullet lipstick. So let's pull this one out and see what this one looks like. So there's the packaging on that one. I'm assuming it's, yes, it's another red, obviously going with the Valentine's Day theme. So let's swatch this one. This one kind of feels like a weird formula. It smells really good though. I don't know if this is meant to be, oh, okay, it's a lip balm. I was like, why is it so sheer? So this is just like a lip balm. There's what that one looks like. It smells so good though. It kind of smells, I don't even know how to explain it, literally like cake. It smells so good. And then we also have in here one of their makeup fixers. This is their setting spray, which you get a huge bottle of this. And then we also have, this one is a palette. So this is the To Me Mini Palette. So here's the packaging on that one. This is gonna be a highlighting palette. So stunning. There's what that one looks like, absolutely beautiful. So inside of here you get Blissful, Pillow Talk, and Rodeo Drive. These are some of my favorite highlighters. Rodeo Drive and Pillow Talk are probably my top favorites. Blissful's a little bit dark on my face, but I like using it for my body. I've talked about that before. I'm not gonna swatch these because I own all 3 of those, so I'm not gonna swatch this. I'll probably save it for a giveaway for you guys. Such a nice set though. And then also in here there is a little bath bomb. So I'm assuming they just threw these in here, so some little heart-shaped bath bombs. And then what else do we, this is cool. So we have the Ofra, what is this? The Get Chilled Out. I've never tried one of these. So this is one of those masks. I'm assuming you put this like in the fridge, and it has like the gel in it. That's awesome. And then we also have, oh, this is cute, some little Post-it notes that said chilled out with Ofra with a little pen. That's super cute. I think that is everything they included in this Valentine's Day package. This was so sweet of Ofra to send this over to me. So up next, we have a package here from Beauty Bakerie, which I'm looking forward to trying out. I've never tried anything from the brand. I've always wanted to. I feel like their packaging is just adorable. Okay, so the top says, "You've been served," and then on the inside, we just have a lot of fluff. Sometimes that's all the packages are. It's just a lot of fluff on the inside, but this is so cute. Okay, so the first thing in here is the Better Not Bitter flower, and this is actually a setting powder. How cute is this packaging? Oh my gosh, so fun. So it's like a little flower package. I'm not sure if the actual, I think it's just like an actual component inside of here, but that's so cute for the outer packaging to be that. So that is a setting powder. And then we also have, this is a liquid matte lipstick, and this one is in the shade Mon Cherry. So here's what that packaging looks like. So let me pull this out. We'll give it a little swatch. Ooh, this is fun. So it's just like a red shade. I love the outer packaging. Super cute. I'm loving all the reds right now because we are getting into a Valentine's Day. If you guys do not know, I did just post a Valentine's Day giveaway as well. So if you haven't checked that out, make sure you check it out. But here is what that shade looks like. It looks like it's kind of more of a gloss, or at least like a wet matte. We'll see if it dries down when I try it out on the lips. And then the last item in here is an eyeshadow palette. This is Do It For the Gram. Oh my god, is that not the cutest packaging? Oh, I love that. That is so fun. Okay, so same packaging on this here, and let's see what this looks like. Ooh, this is fun. Okay, so we have big pans for sure in this palette. Here's what the inside of that one looks like. I'm going straight for this gold shade because it looks beautiful. Also the blue. We'll try one of the copper shades as well. Give them a swatch. They look very pigmented. That looks awesome. So excited to finally try out this brand. It also says Got MILF right there on the inside. That is too cute. Really excited to try out this brand. Definitely excited they included an eyeshadow palette so I can kind of get a feel with the lip products, the eyeshadow palette, and then I'll also give that powder a try. If you guys want to see those in like a first impressions video, let me know down in the comment section. But thank you, Beauty Bakerie, for sending over this package. So exciting to get something from them. That red shade is really wanting to stay on there. I'm really scrubbing at my arm and it's still just like hanging out. So I guess that'll be there. The next box I have came over from Colourpop. You guys know I love me some Colourpop. Inside it says, "New Year coming, who's ready for a full face of Colourpop?" Awesome. So I did see that they are giving everyone like new coupon codes. So mine is AM91 Makeup Molly. I'm not sure why it has the AM91. Like I'm not sure about the front of it, but if you guys ever want to save any money at Colourpop, this will get you $5 off. I'll always have my codes linked down below in these videos in case you ever want to save some money there. That is not affiliate code. It is just a code that they gave me to save some money for you guys. But this is super cute. It has like this little bag right here. It says BFF Colourpop. Ooh, we got lots of products in here. Okay, so we have the Mar palette, which I actually already own and I do really like. This one has the blues in it. I will pull it out to show you guys, but I'll definitely make sure to include this one in a giveaway because I do already own it. But look at how pretty this one is. Ah, so gorgeous. This is like me in a palette because it has the blue, the green. It has such pretty colors in there. So I'll definitely throw this one in a future giveaway. And then what else do we have in this bag? We have their new mascaras, which I'm excited to try out. So they came out with a bunch of new mascaras. If you guys don't know, they have colored ones and then also like the regular black one. So I have the black one it looks like they sent over, and then also the Be Ya Mind blue one. So two different shades of the mascara. And then we also have inside of here, this one is a cream gel liner, and this one is in the shade Swerve. And then for the last two things, we have two different Super Shock shadows. So we have two different shades. They sent over Coconut, which I actually already own, and I absolutely love this color. One of my favorites. And then they also sent over the shade Super Fly, which I don't think I have this one, but here's what that one looks like. It's kind of like a really foiled blue shade. So let's see what this one looks like. I absolutely adore the formula of their Super Shock eyeshadows. I did do a declutter of them not that long ago, and I really, so gorgeous. I love the formula so much, and when I did that declutter, I was just like, why don't I reach for these more often? Because they are so good. This is a really pretty blue, so there's what that one looks like. It kind of has like a hint of iridescent in there. Super nice. Awesome package from Colourpop. I'm excited to try out that mascara for sure. I'm really gonna have to do something fun with that blue mascara for sure, but thank you, Colourpop. I'm so excited to try out these products. All right, so this next box I am opening came into my P.O. box, and I know what this is, and I'm excited to try out these lippies. So we have this cute little card right here. Oh my gosh, there's such a large little message. I love this. Okay, so it's actually from Bianca, and she started her own lipstick line, and she reached out to me and asked me if she could send these to me, and I said absolutely. So she sent over 2 different packages here, which of course this packaging is beautiful. So I believe they're called Ciaobianca. I hope I'm saying that right. Ciaobianca. I hope I'm saying that right. But here is the lipsticks. Okay, I'm so excited. So the component looks like this. And this is a nude shade. This is called the Perfect Nude. So we shall see how this formula is. I'm excited to try it out. So this is going to be a matte liquid lip. Like I said, that lip stain is not going anywhere, but there's that nude. That one looks really nice. So let's try out a few other ones. So this next one is another really nice nude. This one is called Strawberry Milkshake. And let's give that one a swatch. Really pretty. I love that color. That's like my kind of nude, like a pinky nude is my favorite. I don't know why I'm into smells today, but these also smell really nice. So let's get this next color. Ooh, this is a fun one. So this is kind of like an orangier shade. That one's pretty. We also have, let's try the next one. I don't know what all the colors are, but she sent over so many different ones. So I'm just kind of pulling. So we have another nude shade. Looks like she likes her nudes, which I love as well. This one is called Cocoa Mocha. And ooh, this one's pretty. So like a brownie nude. There is that shade. I can't wait to try out the formula of these. I'm really excited about it. So I will definitely let you guys know what I think of these. I want to start doing kind of like follow-up videos. I've talked about that a lot. So you guys will start to see those where I'm kind of just following up with these kind of PR unboxings and first impressions and things like that. So thank you so much for sending these, and I can't wait to try out the rest of them. So now we have a package here from LANCOME. Okay, so inside we have this super cute little present. I always love how they do their packages. They always look so cute. I was gonna say sweet and then I said cute, so I think it sounded weird, but here's what that looks like, a gold little box. Aw, this is so cute. Okay, so let me prop it back up so we can see. So when I opened it, it kind of just like folded out. And then it looks like we have a new skincare product. That is so fun. And then I don't know if there's something inside this drawer. Okay, so inside the drawer, it just has the little info sheet. So it says here, this is their Absolute Soft Cream with an exclusive blend of grand rose extracts and unique transforming texture. This indulgent cream helps to improve wrinkles and firmness, brighten and even your skin tone. The lock-in moisture, it will also lock in moisture for 24 hours. Ah, this is very, very luxurious packaging. Look at how nice this is, just like gold packaging. It's very heavy though. So I'm excited to try this out. I absolutely love a lot of their skincare products. Their I can never say that one, the Gymphenique or whatever. The serum and also the moisturizer in that line is so good. I use it every single day. So I'm excited to try, ooh, it's pink. This new moisturizer from them, really, really nice. We're gonna smell it. It smells really nice. Smells really clean and like kind of fresh smelling. I'm excited to try this out. Thank you, LANCOME. This was such a cute package too, such a cute presentation. So the next box we got this week came over from Wet n Wild, and I've actually already played with these products. I couldn't wait. I saw they came in and I just had to play with them. So I did do a first impressions with these, but I quickly just wanted to show them in case you guys didn't get to see that. But this is their new 2019 collection. So they sent over a bunch of new loose highlighters. We have bronzers, some pressed highlighters. So they sent over 3 different boxes of this size, which is so wild, so fun to get from them. And then they also sent over this prime and prep one, and this one has inside of it their new stick foundations, and then also they have some new scented, these are like prepping sprays, or you can use them as setting sprays. And then the last box that they did send over has a really, really fun amount of lipsticks, and then also some liquid cat suits. These are some liquid glitters. So here's everything that they sent over. I'm so thankful for this package. This was so fun to get in the mail. So I did have to play with it. So if you guys want to see me kind of swatch some of this stuff, I try everything out. And I also talk about how these right here are, I think, a dupe for the Huda Beauty, her new melted metals or whatever those are called. These really performed kind of like those. So make sure you check out that video if you're curious on this collection. But I wanted to include it in case you guys didn't get a chance to check out that video. But if you do want to know more about these products, go ahead and check that out. I will link it down below as well. Okay, so we just have a couple more packages to get into. This one here says it's from Persona. Aw, this is so thoughtful. Oh my gosh. Okay, so they sent over this planner with my name on it. This is so cute of them. I actually have never had an actual planner. Like, this is really fancy. I don't know that I've ever had like an actual, you know, like a big girl planner, you know. It has some little quotes in it. This is so sweet of them. It says, you have everything inside to be and do anything you want. I love that. I love this. This was so sweet of the Persona team. I am so excited to actually start jotting stuff down. I'm the worst at just like keeping track of things. I have a calendar and I never use it, but I'm definitely gonna use this because this is really cute and very thoughtful of them. So thank you guys so much. This was so sweet. Okay, and then moving up next, we have something from DHC. Okay, and inside we have some of their products. So the first thing is their silky cotton. So these are actually just like facial cottons that you can use to remove your eye makeup. I have used these and I like them. And then we also have inside of here, this is their super long mascara. So this is the Perfect Pro mascara from them. And then there is one last thing in here. So this is their makeup eye and lip makeup remover. Ooh, I like that it says it's for the lips because I feel like I have a hard time sometimes with getting like lipsticks off, you know, like liquid lipsticks. So I like the idea that it says that you can use it on your lips and your eyes. I mean, I know you can pretty much use eye makeup remover on your lips, but I like that they're kind of categorizing it as that. So I'll definitely have to give these a try. I like a lot of the products from DHC. I think that they have really good quality skincare products. So thank you guys for sending this. And I will definitely try out that makeup remover. Okay, and the last box this month came over from Royal and Lancome, which means it's probably some MODA brushes, which you guys know I love MODA brushes. So I was right, it is MODA brushes. I love, love, love their brushes. So inside, let's see what they sent over. So we have some metallic brushes. These are my favorite line that they do offer. I am excited to see which ones they sent over. So they included their 7-piece. This is the total face kit. So here's what that one looks like. Super, super nice. And then I also have this one here, which is the deluxe gift set, which looks like this. Super, super cool. So I do have something exciting to share with you guys. I think the reason they were sending this over is because they let me know about a new promotion that they are going to be running in February. You guys can actually save 30% on the MODA metallic brushes, which is so exciting. I also have a coupon code with them that stacks on top of the sale. So you're really getting 40% off, which is so crazy. My camera actually cut me off, but I have never seen them do such a large sale, I don't think, at least that I know of, where they've also let you stack the coupon codes on top of it. So I know a lot of affiliates that they do have that have coupon codes, but if you guys do want to use mine, it is just Makeup Molly, and it will get you an additional 10% off on top of the 30% off that they are doing. So these are two of my favorite sets. I also really, really like the paddle brushes. They come on their own as well, like these ones here. I love using those. They have some really great, their BMX line is really nice as well. So I use these brushes all the time, so it's really exciting that they are doing such an awesome sale. I will have them, of course, linked down below. But that was the last box. So after that, that is going to do it for this PR unboxing and haul. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing some of these new makeup launches. We had some really exciting packages this week. So big thank you to all of the brands who sent over products. Let me know, of course, down below if there's anything that you guys would like to see me test out more, see it at first impressions, or review on any of the items. Please comment that down below. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Also, don't forget to subscribe before you guys go, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.